5 reasons why you need insert the blank position product. This video, you're gonna do a post in just under 5 minutes and one of the most effective ones that you do. I have my phone with me so we can do it together. This video will be for you if you're not tech savvy, short on time, or need some creative juices to flow through you. 5 reasons why you need a medical esthetician. 5 reasons why you need a facial. 5 reasons why these are the best lash extensions. 5 reasons why you need a graphic designer instead of Canva. This is what you're gonna do. Open the Instagram app and you're gonna go to Reels, okay? This is the thing that you need to do in order for this to go quick. What we're gonna do is chop it up, make it choppy so there's less editing, okay? Let's think. Here are 5 reasons why you need to start creating content. Okay, so that's the first clip. Now we're gonna do the second clip and we're just gonna go straight into it. And do you see when I press it, I just start talking. Number 1, it's free marketing. So you see how I did that? And I'm gonna get my thoughts together, explain within 5 seconds why it's free marketing. There's never been a better time to start talking about what you do. And you don't have to pay. Not yet anyway. Number 2, you get to talk to people outside of the US. For me specifically, I've been able to attract people from all over the country. I have business partners on the East Coast and customers also on the East Coast. I've been able to connect with people all over, including having a customer in Spain. Number 3, you can do this even if you're not tech savvy. Okay, so here's another trick that I want you to do. When you're doing these type of videos, it's okay to just talk face to camera, but it's nice to show what you're doing or when you're in action. Think about like you're FaceTiming your friend. So right now I said number 3, you don't have to be tech savvy, and I'm gonna show what I'm doing. Turn the camera around and watch. Okay, so I'm gonna show them the demonstration. For example, right now I'm actually doing a tutorial of this video, but I'm recording everything on my Instagram app. So it doesn't have to be hard. This camera right here, I don't even use it because it's way too complicated for me. Number 4, you can start showing your personality. People don't really want or care about your logo or any of that. They just want to know, like, do I like this girl or what? So, quick tip, one thing that I love to do is do like the zoom in, zoom out, and it's very simple. All you have to do is when you're pressing, okay, when you're pressing the button, you move it forward. So let me show you. When you're pressing here, you press it and then you move it upward, not forward. You press the button and then you hold it and then press it up. So this is what it would look like this. I'm pressing it and then I'm zooming it up, and that's what it does. Does that make sense? So be yourself and show your personality. Number 5, when you start showing who you are, you'll create that authority and ultimately get people to buy whatever it is that you want. So if you show your personality, show what you do, show behind the scenes, all of that ends up being your income. So start creating content. Okay, so here is where you need a call to action because this video is about why they need to hire you. You need a call to action, whether that is booking, free consultation, book a call. Don't just say there's a link in my bio. Be so specific. What do I do after the link in bio? Do you have an offer around that? You don't have to know how to do the green screen, none of that. Let's open my link in bio and show them. If you want to learn more, just go to the link in my bio and I have so many tools. You can join my free newsletter. You can also come down here and join the content plan, which is a monthly membership. It's continuously evolving. You can go in there and you have content prompts, all of that, including support. Last but not least, you can get on a free strategy call and see if we're a fit to work one-on-one together. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to talk to you soon. Follow for more content tips. Okay, that was a lot. We are going to watch the end of it. I'm going to be posting this on TikTok, but here's what you have to do in order for this to be relevant for all the platforms. Download it. Loading, loading, loading. Cool. So it's saved, but now I'm going to make it relevant to my platform. Add the captions in here, easy to read, and then maybe a title. Right here on this bar, I'm just going to put it in the beginning. Cool. Let's take a look at what it looks like. 5 reasons why you need to start creating content. Number 3, you can do this even if you're not tech savvy. For example, right now I'm actually doing a tutorial of this video. So we're gonna save it and post that later on. But this is something that I highly suggest that you do. If you don't want to look like you just woke up like me, it's okay. Go get ready. But here's the trick that I want you to do. Go into the reel that you post. You're going to pin it. Here's why. You don't have to do it forever, but you definitely want to start showing people what is that you do, how do you do what you do, and you're going to go to the post, which is most likely going to be a video. Come up here to these 3 buttons and then pin to your profile. Okay, it's going to say your post has been pinned. Perfect. That way people can know how to work with you. One example is this one. I'm obviously talking about making online courses, ebooks, and presenting my offer. This is obviously super edited. You can do something that is very simple and effective. An example of this, TikToks that has continuously grown and signed up people for my affiliate on this website. And look, I'm just zooming in and out. I have nothing special. All I'm doing is put captions on there, and it was literally perfect. It worked so well. Go take some action. I'll see you in the next video.